Hi, to scan QR codes on your CMF phone one, I got several ways for you. The first one is you can swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here swipe left and find this QR code icon. So if you tap it, you'll see this option to scan QR code. So you can take your QR code, point the camera at it, and it will be immediately scanned, as you can see. So we can see this link and option to open the content of this QR code. So as you can see, in my case, it was product guide. Another way how you can scan QR code is to take a photo first of your QR code, open gallery, and now use this Google Lens, and the QR code would be immediately recognized and scanned. You can tap its link and its content would be opened immediately, as you can see. And of course, we can just open camera, point our camera at the QR code, and now you should see immediately this QR code icon. You can also tap it and check its content. But if you cannot see this red icon on the screen, you can tap this Google Lens icon on the bottom, choose to open camera, and now, as we did before, scan our QR code and tap the link. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.